When I first got involved in the standards, I didn't know anything about the organization of IEC. I just know the existence of the standard in which I work for, which is EMC in railway system. So I know all the technical part, but I didn't know anything about the management and all the organization that is behind all these standards. So for me, the most valuable experience that I could get from the workshop is to realize all this huge organization and to see how everything is prepared so that the standard is really correct and make us the world safety, in fact. After the workshop, I plan to continue to be involved in the standards. In fact, for the working group I'm working for, we are closing to the voting of this standard. We just ended its revision. So now that I know how is all the technical process, I expect to continue being in the IEC, and now I understand how it works. So now I will continue to ask my enterprise to get involved even more in this procedure and continue to contribute. Being in the Young Professionals program has a lot of advantages because you got to know a lot of people that from all the world, not only from Europe, because in the working group I was only with Europe people. Here I could meet experts from all over the world, not only young professionals, but also experts that are being here for a long time, so they have a lot of experience. So there's a lot of resource that I can take advantage for because I made a lot of contacts. So this is something that it's going to be very valuable also for my employer. And I could realize even more that standards mean safety. So we have to continue to apply them, and that's what I have to say to my employer. My advice to other coming experts in IEC is that they have to realize that the standards are part of our everyday life. We don't realize it, but they are always there. So my advice is get to know them, realize them. Sometimes we see the standard and we look like it's a huge book with a lot of pages, but in fact there's a lot of things behind. So it's very important, and once you get to know and to get involved, you realize really that you have to apply it, and safety is there.